Day 1, Problem 1. Part A, rewrite the number into standard form. So let's copy down this number that's in scientific notation and then use the exponent on the 10 to move the dot. And the exponent of -2 means to move this decimal point 2 spots to the left. That will create the number 0.0832. Now for part B, let's copy down the problem. And now change this to scientific notation. We need to put the decimal point here so that the digit 4 is the number that is to the left of the decimal point, and so that will involve moving the dot 3 spots. The answer will be 4.5002 and then times 10 to the -3 power. Day 1, Problem 2. Solve the equation. So copy the equation. And now we want to solve this for A. So here's the equal symbol. I'm going to draw a line to help keep the left side separate from the right side and start removing all of these other numbers until I have the letter A alone. Right now this is 1/3 times the quantity 12A plus 6, or 1/3 of this group. The letter A is part of this group, and so my objective is to first get this group alone, and then once the group is alone we can do a little bit more work until finally getting the letter A alone. To get this group alone means that the 1/3 needs to be removed. And I can remove a fraction that's being multiplied to the group by multiplying by its reciprocal. The reciprocal of 1/3 is 3/1, or just the whole number 3. And so on the left side, multiply by 3, and on the right side, multiply by 3. The reason for doing that is that 3 times 1/3 cancels, leaving 1. And that just means that we have one of this group. And so the 12A plus 6 can be brought straight down. Over here, 18. Remove the plus 6 by subtracting. Bring the 12A straight down, and 18 subtract 6 is 12. 12 times A is equal to 12. 12 times 1 is equal to 12. So A is equal to 1. Now in part B we're going to check whether A is really equal to 1. So here is the original equation, and the letter A we think is 1, so fill in a 1 for A. And then plus 6, close up the parenthesis. Is that equal to 6? Here's the 1/3. Now in the parentheses, 12 times 1 is 12. 12 plus 6 makes 18. What's 1/3 of 18? That is 6. The right-hand side also has equals 6. And so this checks. A is equal to 1 is the correct answer for this equation.